to reply to messages on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can reply to a message on Instagram. To reply to a message on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram application and logging on it. On the home page, locate the messenger icon at the top right of the screen to access your messages. Find the message from the person you want to reply to. Tap on their profile to enter the chat section. And here you can reply to that person by typing any message or emojis. Now, if you receive a message request from someone who you don't follow, go to the home page, click on the messenger icon at the top, where you will see request on this page. Click on it to view the message from the people outside your followers. You will see the message request from the person whom you don't follow. To view the messages from people outside your followers, click on the request. You will be able to reply to the sender here by clicking on accept button. But if you don't want to reply or you prefer not to respond, you can leave it as it is or choose to block the user. So this is how you can reply to a message on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. So hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.